Hello, everyone. Welcome to music. Mrs. Thornton here. So we're going to go over musical symbols. Musical symbols are the basis of the note. A symbol is something that represents or reminds us of something else. For example, there are often symbols for different countries. We have the United States. This is Australia. And this is, what do you think? Right, it's Canada. If we draw a line connecting a symbol to the word it represents, well, the heart would mean everybody, love. The peace would be the peace sign. And recycle, of course, we all know the recycle symbol. Did you know that we have symbols for music as well? The most common musical symbol is called a note. The note represents sounds. They tell us how long a sound will last. There are two main types of notes. We have our quarter note, which is ta, and we have our eighth note, which is ti. The eighth note is shorter than ta. Remember, the more we decorate the note, the shorter it is and the faster it is. So ta, ti, much shorter. 2 eighth notes equal a quarter note. Notice here we only have 1 eighth note. So this is just a half a beat, and this is 1 beat, ta. The quarter note is made up of a head and a stem. Here's your stem, and there's your head. The eighth note is made up of a head, a stem, and of course our little tail. Remember the eighth note story when the arm's just hanging? That's because his friend isn't there. This is just 1 eighth note, which says T. This one, we're drawing a line around, drawing a heart around the quarter note and drawing a square around eighth notes. We'll do this together in class. I will pass out papers and we'll do this together. So we'll skip this one for now. The quarter note represents a longer sound than the eighth note, which is a short sound. Here's another exercise. If we drew a circle around each longer sound, so the quarter notes are the longer sounds, and the eighth notes are the shorter ones. Finally, we have 2 eighth notes, T. Here they are. But we don't usually draw them like that, and you know what we do. We put that beam over the top. There we are. The 2 friends with their arms around each other. Remember the eighth note story. There were 2 friends who never left each other, and they went arm in arm whenever they went. T. When 2 eighth notes are written together, they look like this. And of course, when 1 eighth note is written, it looks like that. We've seen them both ways. Did you know there are moments of silence in music? We have symbols for these too, and they're called rests. Rests represent shh, silence, and we will go over rests more in the future. We've already talked about them, and we've already seen them too in a couple of lessons. Thanks, everybody. I have no idea why there is a 2 in the middle of the screen, but whatever, it's technology. I hope everyone has a great day, and we'll see you soon. Bye, everyone.